it's Sabria. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hit the subscribe button down below. Today I'll be giving you guys an in-depth tutorial on how to do this flip over quick weave style featuring West Kiss hair. I'm going to get into more hair details shortly, but we're going to start off by just pouring out my leave out, and I like to do this comb method to see if I can see the comb through my hair, and if I can, that means I need a little bit more leave out, and if I don't see it, then that means I'm good. I'm just going to braid that leave out to get it out the way, and not too much on my braid because it's hard braiding on yourself and then going sideways. If y'all have watched any of my previous videos, then you guys know I like to mold hair for quick weaves. I don't like the braid because I feel like it's just not necessary, and you could get even more flatter results by molding. So I just go in with my black Ampro style gel and then slick my hair down, and then I'm going to put it into a ponytail and then into a braid. I usually do like probably 2 braids just to make sure my back is totally flat, but since I'm installing curly hair, it doesn't matter. Please don't mind this man keep walking in and out of my frame. This is the owner of the shop I work in. Now that I got my mold down, I'm just going to put on my cap, and as you guys see, the back is not bulky, like that's fine. So now I'm going to put on my protective shield, my Robert's Diamonds, and then I go in with another layer of Got2B glue spray. Then I sit under the dryer for like 10 minutes. Now let's get into the hair details. Today I'm going to be using 20, 18, and 22 inch of their curly wave hair. I really like this hair. I didn't have to do much to it. All I did was washed it the night before, and the curls just turned out like this. Like after installing, I did go in and spray it with a little bit of water, but I didn't have to add any products or anything. But now let's get into track placement. So for a flip over quick weave, you're basically just laying all of your tracks towards your face in like a U shape. And you want to lay your tracks close together, and you just keep laying it into this U shape until you get all the way to the top. And just keep watching for my process of how I do the top of my head. So now I'm at the top of my head, and I have this small U. Now I'm just going to start laying my tracks horizontally, but when I get closer to the front, they're kind of going to be curved to the side I want my hair to flip over to. I may not be explaining that clearly, but you guys will see how I'm laying them. can already tell this install is going to turn out so cute. But for my leave out, I spray my Heat Protectant and hairspray, and I'm just using my 3/8 wand curler to blend my leave out, because my leave out will not blend like if I just wet it. My hair is heat damaged. But anyway, so yeah, I'm just going to go in with that wand curler and take really small sections. With the Flipover look, like if you're blending your leave out by curling it, you just have to really go in and play with it to really get that blend and have a seamless look. Now it's time to do my baby hairs. Y'all know I like the light and fluffy look, so I'm just going in and curling it with my flat iron and then using Got2B glue spray to lay them down. This is the finished product. I think it turned out so cute. I did go in and probably curl my leave out just a little bit more, but even here it's still fire. I really like the hair quality. I haven't had to do too much to the curls at all to get them defined. I really like this curly wave hair and how it turned out. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Like, comment, and subscribe if you guys want to see more tutorials like this. Bye, y'all.